The service of the supercharger is generally known as just replacing the oil, but while we're here, we're going to put a new water pump on as well. It seems only logical to do this while everything's apart. So for access, I'm going to take off the water pump first. That is it, as simple as that. With the water pump removed, it gains you access to this Allen key here. This Allen key is the drain plug for the small end. It's a supplied Allen key, I'm surprised. It doesn't fit. So this Allen key was incredibly tight. Fitting in here, I think it's just a little bit of surface corrosion. What I actually did is just give it a gentle caress with a rubber hammer, and yeah, just tapped it into the hole, and it has come free. What we're expecting from this end, this is the water pump end, should be a little O-ring seal on there as well. Hopefully we've got a replacement. What we're expecting from this end is around about 40 ml of oil, and from memory this stuff absolutely stinks. It's dry. It's dry. That's good. Good start. So, can you see there? Yeah, this is our fill point. With a little syringe, I'm going to pull out approximately 40 ml. Go bang on 40 ml. As simple as that. I didn't expect a lot to come out, but I expected something. With the new O-ring seal installed on this plug, just going to pop him back in. Move swiftly onto the other side. And you can put that in there tight, but don't put it in too tight. So again, before I put on camera, I just tap this in with a little bit of a hammer, and I've cracked him off. Bit of surface corrosion on the Allen key, just when it wasn't seating properly. Well, this plug's actually wet, so I'm assuming, never assume, I'm assuming there's some in it. Right, let's go. So this is a larger end. This should have 140 ml of old oil in it. You can see the colour, much deeper. So it's much darker colour. It's definitely the replacement. So that's a sealed system, there shouldn't be any dirt getting in there. So 140 mils for this end. So I'm going to do two 50s and a 40. First 50 going in. I've got the second 50 going in. And then finally I'm going to put the last 40 in. So to confirm that's 140. I'll replace the O-ring seal on this plug, and then I'll get this back in. Now to fit the new water pump, only goes on one way. What's a new O-ring seal here, which is the one that goes into the engine block. Simple as that. 4 mounting holes. Line up the 4 mounting holes on here. Just lining up the cam in there. 3 bolts. Oh, it makes the supercharger look really dirty. So that's the old stuff out. Dispose of that.